Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming ownership or permission. That prevents legal trouble and wasted effort. Next, check the router's label for the factory SSID and password because many routers still use that default. If a device is already connected, use it to reveal the saved password. This avoids resetting the router. Once done, note the network name so you don't confuse multiple SSIDs, and make sure you have admin access or the account credentials before moving to the router interface. Now you retrieve the password from devices that already trust the network. On Windows, open the Wi-Fi settings or control panel to view properties and reveal the key with admin rights. This works because the OS stores the credential. On Mac OS, Keychain Access stores the password and requires your account password to reveal it. On Android and iOS, newer versions let you view or share saved Wi-Fi via a QR code. Use this when you can't access a desktop. These methods avoid resetting router configs. Finally, you can log into the router's admin interface to read or change the Wi-Fi password. This is definitive because the router controls wireless settings. If admin credentials are unknown and you have authorization, a physical factory reset restores defaults so you can set a new secure password. Note this erases custom settings. Once you reconfigure, reconnect each device and update saved passwords. Troubleshooting tip: if devices won't connect, ensure correct encryption type, WPA2/WPA3, and reboot both router and client devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.